Have you ever heard of the FODMAP diet? If you haven't, you're in for a treat because today we're going to dive deep into this fascinating topic. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth is a FODMAP diet? Well, it's a dietary approach that's gaining popularity for its ability to help people with certain digestive issues. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. These are all types of carbohydrates that are not absorbed properly in the small intestine and can cause digestive distress. But what does that mean for you? If you've ever experienced bloating, gas, cramping, or other uncomfortable symptoms after eating certain foods, the FODMAP diet might be just what you need to find relief. Here's a fun fact that you might not know. The FODMAP diet was actually developed by researchers at Monash University in Australia. They found that by reducing the intake of certain types of carbohydrates, people with digestive issues could experience significant improvements in their symptoms. So, how does the FODMAP diet work? The first step is to eliminate high FODMAP foods from your diet for a period of time, usually around 4 to 6 weeks. These can include things like wheat, dairy, garlic, onions, and certain fruits like apples and pears. Then, you gradually reintroduce these foods one at a time to see which ones you can tolerate and which ones you need to avoid. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. By figuring out which foods trigger your symptoms, you can avoid them and start feeling better. Plus, there are plenty of delicious low FODMAP foods that you can enjoy, like berries, spinach, chicken, and rice. So, if you're struggling with digestive issues and haven't found a solution yet, why not give the FODMAP diet a try? It might just be the key to unlocking a whole new level of comfort and happiness in your life. While weight loss is not the primary goal of the FODMAP diet, some people may experience weight loss as a result of following the diet. This is likely due to the fact that many high FODMAP foods are also high in calories and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Additionally, the elimination of high FODMAP foods may lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake. However, it is important to note that the FODMAP diet is not a weight loss diet and should not be used solely for this purpose. It is intended to help manage digestive symptoms and improve overall gut health. If weight loss is a goal, it is important to work with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized plan that meets individual needs and goals. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in and happy eating.